lot of great decorations and simple. Okay. Hello.
Oh, that's your work.
Yeah, pwede nga no?
Yeah.
Kaya siya
Can you make
nagadukdok.
a human face?
Face not possible. I make face, but see, I
How much?
face.
Oh, yeah. That's good. How much does it cost for one? 40.
And this
Very good ng mga work craftsman talaga.
Very good.
and all this is unique. Everything.
Oh, yeah. Very good.
You'll get all the coffee powder in your little cup. The way to do it would be when you have the coffee set in front of you and your coffee is ready, just stir it with a little spoon on the top of it and wait for a couple seconds. And then the coffee powder in your coffee pot will settle down, and then slowly you pour the coffee in the cup. Enjoy your coffee. Probably you'll get sugar cubes, or you'll get buttermilk delight, or rahat lokum as we call it here. And the way how traditionally we would do it is that we will take one sugar cube, dip it a bit in a coffee, and take a bite. And then you drink coffee over sugar. Really delicious. Really great.
The Turkish delight, the candy ones.
The candy, yes, like caramel kind of, something like that. And also talking about talented people from Mostar, there is Mirza working on the copper things, and here is Mr. Anil that is making these beautiful drawings, beautiful
Yun yung marker nila.
pictures. I'm not really sure how to say.
Their
The old town
iconic
and,
city marker.
The Kuyunjilo candy.
These were in the city of Mostar.
That are really fun.
This is part
Quite
of
fun to watch, and also
Bosnia and
right next door,
Herzegovina.
it's also something handmade here. There are leather bags, genuine leather from Bosnia and Herzegovina, and they are also really great products and also super affordable.